What?
They already went. I gotta get in there. Here we go.
Larry be hard to hit, dude.
He's squirming, huh?
What are you guys high-fiving?
Get that reach back. Brothers don't shake hands. What the fuck is that, dude?
Like, Powerpuff Girls.
Yeah. There you go.
Larry is squirming, man. He's tall. You have to come sideways with him, not straight up.
Oh!
You see him skip?
That was a good hit. You got that overhand, so you gotta watch that overhand.
Do it again.
Don't get cocky though, okay? Don't get cocky.
You are too, Larry.
Hey.
Back
Back pedal on the front. I do the hit.
Larry, it's just a box. Don't get all pissed off, fucker.
You're still young, fool.
It's just a boxing match. That's all it is.
It's some, dogs.
Ain't no one hurt your mama.
I want to see Teddy in there.
You guys keep going way too far.
Yeah.
Come back over here. You guys went out of bounds.
You guys got your mouth shit in? No.
Oh, they put it out a while ago. They're like, fuck it.
Look at Larry. He's all making the
You know,
faces.
what was that hold back, man? Patrick, don't hold it back. Let it out.
Oh, dude. Don't step on my shoe.
It's just a boxing match, fool.
He's all, don't step on my shoe.
Got the water, dog? Larry, you guys take a break.
He's, I'm good.
Take a break, man.
Damn, you got him good.